Hello, welcome back, and today we will be covering webhook integration with caller ID reputation. This is mainly if you are looking to try and inform your team of some sort of updates to your account. And we'll be using RocketChat today. You can use anything that supports webhook integration, anything from IFTTT to RocketChat to even Slack if you can get that integrated. So we'll just jump right in. As you can see here, we are at our dashboard and we will head down here to settings. We have all of our settings right here, our secondary users, notifications, and webhook notifications. Now from here, you can see if the number was added, unflagged, flagged, deleted, and archived. Now, the first thing you'll want to do here is make sure nothing's there first off. But second, you will want to make sure all your settings are correct for your webhook integration. Now with RocketChat, we'll be using an incoming webhook integration. As you can see, we already have it set up, just posting it to general as us. And from here, we'll use our webhook URL. This will need to be publicly accessible. That way, our platform can reach to your platform and send you that message. And as you can see here too, we'll be using a post. So I'll come back here, we'll paste our webhook in, and we'll put it as post. Now our key is already in this URL. The next thing we will want to do is, as you can see, this is example payload. Here's our text example message. We'll use form data text. And as you can see here too, we have different variables we can add in from phone number, description, and call group. So we'll use, for example, a new phone number at, let's see, phone number has been added with description, oh, and in the call group, I can spell. Now, with that, our first webhook is ready to go. So we'll go ahead, come down here and save it. Once you have that webhook added and everything is configured, we will go ahead and add in a new phone number. So from here, we'll do 509-501-28271, for example. A new phone number in our CIDR account. And we'll add it under our default call group. And once again, these are all just optional. You do not need a description, department, internal ID, or CNAME. These are used more for your purposes, whether you're organizing it or using the API with it. If you don't need it, if you don't want it, don't add it. So we'll go ahead, add phone, and the phone number is successfully added. And if we head back here, as you can see, a new phone number at our phone number with our description, a new phone number in our CIDR account in the default call group. And just like that, we can integrate with any of our platforms we use to chat with our enterprise company. You can do the same thing for each of these webhooks here. If a number becomes unflagged, you can add this here. Each of the variables will be listed here, such as phone number, unflagged service, description, call group, and you can add each of the URLs. You can add up to 5 webhooks per category within your webhook notification.